Welcome to Flower Aesthetics. I have one of flower enthusiasts and budding decorators alike. Here we embark on a journey through the enchanting world of floral artistry, where petals and blooms become the canvas for our creative expressions. Our mission is to inspire, educate, and elevate your flowers decorating skills through a treasure trove of tutorials, dye projects, and in depth guides. We unravel the secrets behind crafting stunning flower arrangements for every occasion, from elegant centerpieces that grace dining tables to whimsical bouquets that light up any room. We are dedicated to helping you bring nature's beauty indoors. Join us as we explore a kaleidoscope of flower varieties, from timeless classics to exotic and rare species. Discover the art of color palettes, the science of flower care, and the magic of pairing different blooms for harmonious designs. We believe that every petal tells a story, and we are here to help you weave these stories into living, breathing works of art. Beyond the artistry, we delve into the therapeutic benefits of working with flowers, exploring the calming effects and the sense of accomplishment that comes from creating something beautiful with your own hand. Our community is a place of sport where fellow flower enthusiasts come together to share tips, experiences, and celebrate the magic of floral decoration. Whether you are a seasoned pro or just starting out, there's a place for your heart. At Flower Enthusiast, our content is carefully crafted to cater to all skill levels, ensuring that everyone can find something valuable to take away. So